Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You're tuned into the Market Beast Edition, your fellow competitor speaking. So today we'll be exploring the GME market as it is in an overall uptrend bull market. I'm going to show you two moving averages. You could kind of take away from this video if you ever want to understand the ebbs and the flows. We're going to reveal that as well. And just see, I guess, a potential target, conservative target on GME that's incoming. We're going to reveal that to you in this video as well. So stick around for that. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome to new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's September the 16th, 2021, and the current price of GME is going to be $214.65, slightly positive 5% for the day. Okay. All right, so here's the lines. Short video, guys. Really simple, actually. We're looking at the daily candles. I just pulled up the 200 and the 50 exponential moving average. And if you're noticing the candles are starting to, well, not starting. They've always been relatively close to or above the green line, which is the 50 exponential moving average. So if ever you guys need an update or you just want to know what's going on, as long as the price action is just kind of finding support above the green line and maybe going down to the red line, getting close to it, but never touching it and moving higher, assume that the GME market is in an overall uptrend. Although we've had some pretty obnoxious videos about GME, but nevertheless, we've always been saying that it's within a bullish trajectory moving to the upside. And in fact, it appears that this entire consolidation, or just kind of all of this price action, to me is an indication that this market is gearing up to make some very substantial reach some very substantial higher levels here in a very at some point in the future, as long as it's making higher highs and higher lows. And I just kind of circled a very large range of price action in between January 2021 over to present day. This really looks like it is just a consolidated phase for a very aggressive move to the upside, because I'm noticing higher lows in the chart. They're all over the place. And as long as it's making higher lows, the next thing that it needs to do is just at least take out the previous swing high. But this high is actually higher than this high. I'm talking about the price action in June the 9th, 2021 at about $300. And it actually is a higher high, higher than the previous high here near the March 15th, $273. So although it hasn't taken out this highest point here at about $400, I just think all of this is in preparation to move the markets higher. Okay, because I know we don't talk about GME that much. In fact, we're going to throttle down the videos on GME unless there's confusion and turmoil. Like if the market is moving down, I like to take that opportunity to step in and just give everyone the levels to take into consideration to truly understand what is going on. And just because you're noticing a negative screen, to just step in and let everyone know that, yeah, GME is still in an overall uptrend. It's in a bull market, guys. It's in a very undeniable, well-defined bull market, and you're just looking for higher highs and higher lows in the trend, and it looks really nice. Again, so the levels that the moving averages is a 50 exponential moving average. Again, it's the green line, and the red line is a 200 exponential moving average. I'm using TradingView.com. You can start a free account and you can pull up the same lines that I'm looking at. These are the daily candles. It's just a simple look at the chart on GME, although a lot to say that you can't do TA on GME, which is fine. Everyone has their own way of looking at price action or whatever, right? But it looks good to me, guys. I've been following GME for some time and it looks fair. Let's just find out a conservative target here. So what I'm going to do is just take my regular Fibonacci retracement tool and just take kind of this little bit of price action here ever since this breakup candle here at August the 24th, and I'm just going to measure the high in comparison to the most recent swing low, okay, to see if we can get a potential target on GME over the next, I guess we could say over the next 30 days. Less than 30 days, we should see a price target according to the Fibonacci retracement tool is going to be $245. The only thing I did was pull up the 1.27 extension, and that measures at about $245 as a conservative price target in less than 30 days. So that's all I have for GME, guys. Again, if the market is moving higher and it's making higher lows, we're not going to make videos on GME because it looks bullish. It's walking up the stairs, and I do think at some point when it starts to approach the local highs at about $381 or close to $400. This is just all that stair stepping to walk up to make a very vicious, man, this move is going to be big, guys. It's going to be a pretty big move, but you must look for higher highs and higher lows. If it's doing that, assume the trend is continuing. If it's not doing that, assume the sellers are going to make an attempt to push the price down. That's my take on GME. It looks good. You have my price target. Let me give you the potential retracement level. I gave you the price target 245. So let's see if we can get a potential retracement if there is a move down here in the short term, which I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not, but just in case, we'll do something like right there, $198. So if there's, some selling activity taking place, hopefully you just kind of gracefully touch back at the 198 and continue higher and meet that conservative target at about 245. And that's all I have, guys. That's my prediction for the next 30 days. If it can stay above 198, it will likely reach 245. So this should hold you out for a good 30 days. Okay. Thank you for the request. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you are new, we explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe. We'll send you that out when it is available. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping out. We appreciate your time. Execute your strategies. Always be kind. We'll talk soon. Positive energy. Keep it flowing. And bye for now.